make a paper airplane. And you need a large piece of paper like this. It doesn't matter how big. And you take a corner and you put it in half. You take both corners and you put them in half like this. And make sure they're sharp at the top. But I didn't. Doesn't matter. And there's a straight line here like this. Then we put it over like this. And you have like an airplane but with no wings. Then to do the wings, you need to fold a piece of a half like this, and it should after that it should look like this, and then the other one the same, and that's the paper airplane done. Oh no, or you can make it like this, or like this. Just fold the top bits like this with one and the other one the same, like this. Because this will be faster or higher, doesn't matter. And that's us done.